Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope that all of you been doing great. Today, let us learn about something which is very interesting and also very useful for each one of our life. What do I mean by that? I am going to talk about the project management. Now, when it comes to project management, it doesn't mean that you must be there in the professional life or in the professional career or during your corporate time itself only you can do the project management. Project management is all about handling any of the task in a proper way, be it the tasks that are assigned at your home or the tasks that is assigned out of your home and also sometimes in the offices. For every task, we need a proper management and the documentation also at times. If I give a very layman example, suppose that you were the maybe eldest one in the family, wherein you have the responsibility to manage a marriage function of your sister or of your brother. What will you do? That is also a kind of project wherein that requires planning, that requires, in fact, that requires initiation, which is the first step, that requires planning, that requires monitor and control. After that, that also requires, or it has execution phase, and then of course, once all the rituals and functions are completed, it has a closure also, so that wherein you can make all the payments and can get the function closed or kind of completed. Therefore, in our personal and professional life, it means at every stage of life, in some ways we are managing the projects. What matters most, that who is managing the project in a proper way, with proper documentations, with proper planning and proper executions, and who are the ones who have not been able to do so. Maybe today I'll not be able to cover a lot about the personal project management or personal task management, but what am I going to touch base today is about the project which are generally governed or which are uh, mostly completed or initiated in the offices or in the corporate world. And in those projects, how the documentation play an important role, it is also important to talk about. Therefore, today I will talk about some of the project management documentation templates. Maybe they are not complete in nature. It is not everything that you need to kind of complete or from the documentation perspective, but there is also a possibility that some additional documents or some additional documentation also may require, and some of the ones which I am going to talk about may not be used at times. However, I will try to cover most of the documentation aspect which are required in the project management. Now, when we I just said that in any of the project there are certain phases, it is important for us to know that what are those phases and in which project which sort of document or which document will be required to kind of prepare and complete. First of all, let us know about the project phases. So in simple terms, they are project initiation, that is the first phase, second project planning, then project tracking, procurement, the fifth one is risk management, PM essentials or project management essentials, project scheduling, staff management or resourcing, WBS management, workbench system management, and then project closure. Now let us learn that what are the important documents in each of the phase. When we begin with project initiation, so I would say that business case document, project assessment. I will not go in very detail at the moment, but maybe in some other videos I will cover in detail that how can you prepare business case, what is the business case, why do we do it, and so on. But today I am going to cover on the very high level the project management templates. So in project initiation, as I said, business case template, project assessment, project deliverables, project charter, and initial project risk. Then we move to the second phase wherein we say the project planning. In the project planning, there's a Gantt chart Excel that we use, Excel project manager, tracking spreadsheet, SWOT analysis template, strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threat that we call it, SWOT analysis templates, and action plan templates. Moving to the next one, project tracking. So there we talk about, are there we require the documentations related to RACI Excel templates. RACI does mean that responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed Excel templates, portfolio dashboard, gap analysis templates, root cause analysis, RAID log Excel. The fourth one is procurement. There we say that recovery policy templates, performance report, procurement plan, catalog template, problem management. Moving to the next one, risk management. There, incident priority, risk identification, cause and effect diagram, risk management, issue resolution process. Moving to next, PM essentials are project management essentials, multiple project trackers that may require, because in the beginning we prepare at times the high level project planning or project tracker, and then as we move on, we also prepare kind of a detailed project plan. So that's where the multiple project tracker comes into the picture. Portfolio dashboard, project checklist, project pipeline tracker, project scope template. The next phase is project scheduling. There we prepare normal RFC template, implementation plan, RACI matrix, release calendar, release management. Moving to next, staff management or resource planning phase. So there we talk about, or there we prepare staff competency matrix, stakeholder matrix, project resources matrix, team charter templates, and so on. The ninth phase, which is WBS management phase, our workbench management system, our workbench system. There we prepare checklist templates, WBS construction template, PMO WBS template, WBS plan, doc and PDF, and then in the last there is a project closure. So thank you.